What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Neil K Trades or Neil K Trading. I do apologize for not being able to upload this weekend. I had some exams to study for, a lot of schoolwork to get done, along with home and religious obligations. So didn't have time to put out the educational series, but I will have time this week, maybe even tomorrow, to start uploading those. Today we're just going to be doing a quick trade recap. This is how I made, what was it? Well, let me open my P&L real quick. I think this is how I made, it was over about $1,055 off of trading NASDAQ Futures today. Just jump straight into the charts. So I didn't start trading until I again got to class, so I guess I saw the markets around here. So just off rip, I'd seen we had these equal highs. We had this quote-unquote data wick or the 9:30 open, drawn liquidity get taken out. While we did dump at market open, we did have a few opportunities here to the upside, up to these equal highs on this data wick. I'd seen these equal highs get hit. Looking back on it, we also did have equal highs all along here that I saw get hit. So I had decided that if swept buy side liquidity, I was targeting this drawn liquidity here. This was our daily low. Just going off straight into it, I had seen these equal highs get hit, saw this fair value gap get created, and obviously what do? Filled more orders, decided to try to move higher, but followed by this inverse here. So after seeing this inverse, I decided to enter shorts on this candle with stop loss at this swing high, 17.25 points. Pretty low risk here, nothing crazy. I was targeting initially these lows right here. So that's the trade. I targeted these lows, so just while looking at the trade, we broke down out of it. Well, we did close and disrespect this again. We'd seen I was pretty confident that we were going to move back down, so I'd seen this red candle, came back into the IFBG, and on this candle we dumped. So followed by that, we did create an order block here. So we have this green candle back up into the inverse, filled more orders before moving down. I had marked out this is a change in state of delivery to move further down. And what did we do? We got the close down, got that change in state of delivery, and from there it was pretty much a really easy grind down. So we did get very close to my take profit. It was 3.5 points. So I didn't manage to close my trade here, so I did keep it open. We did come back down, but we didn't quite reach these levels until the afternoon. That would have been a very long trade to hold through. I probably would have gotten stopped out at break even around here if I did hold it. But on the way down, I want to explain why I decided to close this trade. So we had this fair value gap get inversed here, and I'd seen that, and I decided to exit my trade here. And that was still a very good trade, very good RR. Here's the entry up here. Oh wait, fuck, you guys can't see my finger. Here's the entry up here, and the exit was 249125. 249125. So we exited on that change in state of delivery that we used to move further down. I saw this V-shaped recovery followed by this inverse. While we didn't exactly continue that was a good confirmation for me to exit my trade. So very quick, very easy. This lasted 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 minutes. 25-minute trade, really quick, really to the point. went in my direction really quickly. We did end up taking the strong liquidity a bit later. That was after this move up, which I wouldn't have been comfortable holding through. But overall, entry, exit, with the confirmations on the chart. This does go in line with my model. I usually wait for one major liquidity to get swept. In this case, we had a data wick and equal highs get swept, which was good in my eyes and led me to believe that we're going to go further down. So this is really similar to the trades I usually take. Again, wait for a high to get swept, see the inverse, enter after the inverse gets confirmed, set stop loss at the swing high. I made sure it was typically sometimes swing highs that go up to 30 points, so this was a lot more comfortable for my risk. Entered on that, got the slippage that we needed, so pretty clean, pretty easy, nothing much to it. That's what, 25 minutes. Really good trade, really easy, to the point. I also had some break even set here, so once we did hit this level, the move stops to break even. It was a risk-free trade, but for this type of trade, I use an inverse followed by data wicks and these highs, so I will be teaching what these are going into the week in other videos, so stay tuned for that. But very quick, very easy, right to the point. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Very good trade overall. I do have an exam Thursday and another one Monday that I have to prepare for, so I'll try to push out the content whenever I get free time. Didn't really trade too much last week because of those exams, but happy to have a good start to the week here. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.